has reached its investment limit and it's closed for further investment. So I mean, if you snooze you lose. As you can see, a lot of people are investing on this platform. So Mudrex got a whole brand new look. As you can see right here, it looks totally different from what it was from the previous video. So in this video we're just going to be taking a look at the new design elements on this website, on this platform, how it looks now, how to easily navigate around, because the whole reason behind these new updates is just to give you as an investor on Mudrex a more user-friendly experience on the platform, so that it becomes easier for you to invest, it becomes easier for you to do this on the run, right? So basically it's more focused on making it more user-friendly on the mobile side. So basically I'm just going to be giving you a quick tour on the mobile phone as well, you know, just to give you a quick look on how it looks and how easy it is to navigate, and how to get started with Mudrex as well in this video, right? To give you a quick introduction to Mudrex, it is an investment platform. As you can see over here, you can invest in different cryptocurrency trading strategies. So basically it's an algo trading platform, right? So you select these strategies that have been built based on some top traders strategies. So basically they've been taking those strategies and they've built algorithms around those strategies, so that this platform can basically trade on your behalf, fully automated, 24/7 running, because it's on a server, it's not running on your PC, you know, like it's more like running your forex trading MetaTrader 4 app or MetaTrader 5 app on a VPS, right? So on a virtual PC that's always on and 24/7 making you money, right? So basically, of course, this is no by any chance investment advice whatsoever, but I'm just going to be showing you what people are able to do with this, and you know, the type of results people have been able to get recently using this platform. So it's all up to you if you want to get started. The link is down below, but basically without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into this video. So as you can see, recent video, if you have seen my recent videos on Mudrex, introduction on how it works and all that stuff, the whole user interface had a different look from this, and this is just more simplified, is straight to the point. It shows, I mean, as soon as you log in, you come to the investing page over here, which is basically what the main reason why you are using Mudrex, right? So it's just to come and place your trades, see the best performing strategies, and then you know, invest your own money in those strategies, right? So as you can see, firstly, just taking a look on the PC so that I can show you every single bit on a bigger screen, right? So as you can see right here, we have the editor's pick, which is just like the best performing bots that you can actually like take a look at, and then you know, put your own money into it. So putting your own money into it is as simple as just clicking on the bot that you think is the best. So in this case, I would actually go with this one over here. 215 investors, 1% fee, and 258% return on investment over there. So right, this is the last 30 days return is 12%. So basically you're looking at making at least 12% on a monthly basis. Of course, it's not guaranteed, it ranges, depends on the month, right? It depends on the month, the opportunities that the strategy behind that algorithm has been able to find those trade opportunities on that platform, right? So, or on that pair that you are trading, right? It's as easy as clicking on the strategy that you think is doing the best and the one that you feel like you would want to get started with that, right? So in the previous video, I showed you how to set up your APIs and connect your APIs and everything. So once you have your APIs, I mean, this is amazing. Look at this growth. This is so amazing. I mean, why wouldn't you want to put your money in something that looks like this, right? Of course, it's not going to always make profits. There's going to be some drawdown, but when it comes to forex trading or any type of trading investments, it's all about having more wins than losses, right? Even if you win 50% of your trades, as long as you have a higher risk to reward ratio, you basically always be in the profits, right? So this is the type of strategy. I mean, all those complicated concepts are basically built into the algo trading, the algorithm that will be trading those strategies, right? So you don't have to worry about any of that. All you have to do is to set up your account and connect your APIs to this account. Remember, the APIs allows Mudrex to trade on your behalf without them actually like taking your money into their own account, right? So which basically like make sure that your funds are always safe, because they are always under your control in your own account, right? So you don't give them passwords whatsoever. So this is basically how it starts, right? So when you connect your exchange accounts, you basically be able to see them over here when you click on the drawdown, and then you can allocate some funds to this bot so that you can get started with trading on your behalf, right? Basically the minimum that you need to get started is only $150. So $150 you fund to your crypto exchange, and then you connect it via APIs to this platform, right? So anyways, the main topic about this video is basically to show you how this new look has just made it so simple for you to understand what is going on, especially on the go. When you're on the go, you know, you don't have much time, you just log into your account, you are using your mobile phone. So let's just quickly switch to the mobile, right? So basically, as you can see, this is more simplified. It's just straight to the point, right? So when you log in, this is what you see straight away, right? So at the top over there, you have your menu over there. So if I can just click it and show you basically this everything that you need, right? So you can also build your own bot over there, but of course I'm not recommend you to do that unless you are experienced or you have your own strategy that you want to personalize yourself or want to automate. But basically, it's the best advice that I can give you is just to go with the strategies that have been proven and being tested over there, right? If you just go back again and then just scroll down a little bit over there, you'll be able to see the editor's pick bots that you can then take a look and then see which ones are seem to be performing the best for you, and then you can just, you know, select those ones that you want. And as I showed you before, it's just a simple click on that strategy and then you'll be able to get started, right? So at the top you can also see you have more options over there. You can easily scroll left, right to see more options, right? Because I mean, depending on your screen size, you might not be able to see all the options on the screen displayed, right? So basically just a quick scroll left to right scroll, and then you'll be able to see other options, right? So you can see sort these bots by top score to see which one is performing the best. If you like that one, then you can just click on it and then allocate some funds to it, and then you get started, right? So anyways, going down here over here, you can also see you view your returns and everything. So once we scroll down to the bottom as well, you can see the other bots that are actually running. So some of these bots they're already fully like invested in, so some of these you won't be able to use them. So basically I would actually just recommend that you come to the editor's pick and then choose a bot over there, right? But otherwise you can try your luck and then go just click on any of these bots and then see if they are still available for more investors, right? So otherwise they're just they're fully invested in, because a lot of people have put their trust onto this platform because it's a legit platform. It's a legit platform. I mean, as I told you, you don't have to send them any funds whatsoever, because the funds are always in your account, right? So you always have control of your money. It's not something like those people, they ask you to invest and then, you know, send the money and whatsoever. So basically this one seems to be still available for investment. So what you can just do, you can just select your account, so my Binance account over there, and then I allocate the funds that I want to allocate to that bot, and then it gets started, right? So for you to have an account here, as I said, I'm going to link up the video just up here on how to link up your APIs so that you be able to have your account over here, right? So it's exactly the same for any exchange that is offered on this platform, right? So you can just you make use of that one. So yeah, this basically just a quick look on all the different you know, the updates that this platform has been made. It's just so easy for you to just see, you know, the best performing bots and everything. So what I meant by some of these bots won't be available, let's just see if this one is still available. So just click on it, and then let's just quickly see. There's just a description of the strategy, and as you can see over here, this bundle has reached its investment limit and it's closed for further investment. So I mean, if you snooze, you lose. As you can see, a lot of people are investing on this platform. Remember, the link to get started is down below in the description. You can just click on it and then get started, right? So I think all these ones that have a purple sign over there, that purple icon, it just means that they're actually full, right? It's just my guessing, but because the only one that doesn't have over here the top is the one that is actually available right now. So, and then this is the fees. I mean, you can just take a look at the fees over there. So the minimum and then the percentage, right? So if the percentage is higher than the minimum fee that is shown over there, you obviously pay the 1%, right? But if the 1% is lower than the $5, you pay $5. So this is a monthly fee. That is the only fee that you pay, right? So and then you can see the returns over there to sort them out over there. But as I said, these ones already, as you can see, they're fully booked. So the best thing to do would be to just come through and select from these ones on the editor's pick over there. Those are the ones that you can actually have a better chance of getting in and joining in with other investors, right? So that's it for this video. Basically, I just wanted to give you a quick look at the new interface, user interface, which is more focused on making giving us investors a better user experience and making it easy for you to invest on this platform. Because remember, it's just all about making it easy for you to make your money, put your money to work, right? Make your money work for you. Very simple platform. If you got any questions, or you can just let me know in the comments down below, or join our Telegram group, and then I can help you one-on-one. But basically, it's very simple to navigate. Everything is right there in front of you, whatever you need. They've put it, they made it more user friendly, and it's just amazing. I really like this new design. I think it just simplifies everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.